Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Today I am sharing a recipe for a quick easy snack which you can make anytime for your loved ones, for your kids, for yourselves. It's just amazing. It is known as loaded nachos and I will be taking my twist on it. So without any further ado, let's get started. The ingredients that you will require for the loaded nachos are a lot of nachos, obviously. I am using a mix of 1.5 cup of cheese, that is 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese and 3/4 cup of processed cheese. If you want, you can substitute the processed cheese with any other cheese, along with 1 each onion, tomato and capsicum finely chopped, some mayo, some ketchup. I have put it in piping bag so that I have more control over it, and some pizza seasoning for taste. So first we will assemble our nachos. For that, here I have taken a baking dish, a shallow baking dish. You can take any other baking tray which will go into the oven. So the first step is to put some nachos on its very base. You can use ready-made nachos, that's what I am using today. So once you have placed a layer of that, now it is time to add our condiments. So first we will add a little bit of our ketchup. After adding the ketchup, now we will add some mayonnaise. After adding the mayonnaise, now we will add some of the vegetables. You can choose any vegetables that you like. It's not necessary that you have to use the ones that I am using. After adding the vegetables, now it is time to add in our cheese. And we'll just sprinkle a little bit of the pizza seasoning on top. And now we will just repeat it. Now we will bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese starts to bubble and becomes a little golden brown. And that does it for today's recipe of loaded nachos. If you want, you can customize it by your taste, like you can add some bacon or chicken or any meat that you like. If you want to skip the meat altogether, you can add a few proteins like soya, paneer. It's all up to you and customize it as you like. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I will be making such wonderful recipes very often. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.